I am recording this. The general formula of clozoborane, whether A, B, C, or D, should be simple.
B.
It is
B.
B. Then what is the formula for nidoborane? If the B is the for clozoborane, so what is the formula for nidoborane? And what is the formula for arachnoborane? So such questions. So you can watch this later on. I am recording this. And to read the clozoborane. One more question. Pentaborane 11 is an example of clozo, arachno, nido. Four options are there. Pentaborane 11 means what? B5 H11. Yes. And that is correct. Yes, you are right. It is arachnoborane. BNHN plus 6 is a formula for arachnoborane. So pentaborane means B5 and 5 plus 6 means 11. That's all. So it is arachnoborane. Another question is carborane. Carbonate are the compounds consist of. Yes. What is your answer?
First one, sir. Boron, hydrogen, and carbon.
Yes. Boron, hydrogen, and carbon. A. Okay.
Yes.
And yes, that's correct answer. Carborane. Read through carborane. Read about carborane. Then structure of B2S6. Very nice question. Structure of B2S6 falls under which category? Yes. What is B2S6? Arachno, nido, clozo, and none of these.
Nido.
Nido, yes. Anyone other than this? Yes. Why nido? Anyone can get a hold. Nidoborane is the correct answer because the formula of nidoborane is BnHN plus 4. Go for this structure of B5H8 minus 1. Yes. Anyone? Structure of B5H8 minus 1. What do you say for this?
Arachno.
Arachno. Very good. Or कुछ और answer? Yes. Any other answer? Why? How and why? Can you explain in short?
सर वो उसका स्ट्रक्चर थोड़ा नेक्स्ट लगे थे वो ऊपर.
Because the formula, general formula for nido is BnHN plus 4. तो ये Bn plus 4 है ना. 5 plus ये 8 और माइनस मीन्स H यहाँ से H plus चला गया. So it is B5H9. So there is nothing but nidoborane 5. So structure of B5 again another question. Same. Yes, fast. What is the structure? Arachno, nido, clozo. Yes.
Arachno.
It is arachno. It is arachno. Ammonia react with tetraborane and forms. What fragment will be found from the reaction when tetraborane reacts with ammonia? Very famous reaction. And we have discussed this in our lecture. Another question can be STYX code for diaborane is Very interesting question. STYX code for diaboron is. S for means how many two center three center two electron bonds. T means how many terminal bonds. Y means how many BB bond. So T means how many direct bond. Y means how many what do we say? It's one. Sorry. S for how many? S for how many total bonds. T means how many direct BB bonds. And diaboron. For that you should have a structure STYX. STYX. Y is a number again. It's which tells about the uh, uh, some structural information, and X is again the number of boron atoms, or it is something about like banana bonds. Okay, so for that you should give the answer. Okay, so I will help you, no problem, but you should find out the reason. This is the reaction answer, and this is what the answer from this for this particular question. Another question is hybridization of carbon in diamond is. What is the answer? Hybridization of carbon and diamond is. So what answer you produce for this? So
sp3.
sp3, yes. All carbons are sp3. Graphite conduct electricity because it has graphite conduct electricity because it has carbon is sp2, carbon is sp3, carbon is sp, carbon is b. Yes.
Carbon is sp2.
Carbon is sp2. That's correct about the graphite. That's all. That's all. Next question. Following compounds is an example of, very nice, fullerene complex, graphite complex, diamond complex, none of the, or not a compound. The above thing is not the compound. Why? It is just an art or it's diagram.
Fullerene complex, sir.
Yes,
Fullerene complex.
Fullerene complex.
it is a very nice fullerene complex. That's correct. Yes. Next question is zeolites are compounds contain. Zeolites are the compounds which contain. Zeolites are the compounds which contain. Zeolites are the compound which contain.
Silicates.
That's correct. Correct answer. And last few questions. This is the formula of silicate which belongs to which type of silicate? And we have studied in detail. You can watch these YouTube videos. You can read from the books. So this is the question for you. And what further question? Catalyst which is used in Haber process or Haber ammonia synthesis from N to S.
So it is pyrosilicates.
Pyrosilicate? Yes, the answer for this is what? Pyrosilicate, and it's correct answer. Fine. What about this? Question number 23. What do you say for question number 23? Yes. What is that? So we have discussed this also. Okay, in the activation of nitrogen. Is that we? Aren't we discussed? Yes,
The
yes. Fe, that's correct. That's correct. Fe is the catalyst we use here. Fine. Formula of inorganic benzene. You know, inorganic benzene, also called as borazine. Borazine or borazine, having the formula. Yes.
3 N3H6.
Okay. B3. Yes. What is the answer?
So B3N3H6.
B is H3 now. Acha, yes. B. Sorry. This should be C. Fine. Okay, you're right. This should be C. Okay, fine. So answer is this one is correct answer. Yes, that's right. That's right, correct answer. Fine. Yes. Another question. Yes. So what is your answer for this? Okay. बराबर नहीं दिख रहा है. Yes, slow reaction of nitrogen is due to what are the factors? There are four statements, and which is correct? All four are correct. Only 1, 2, 4 are correct, and then 3 only, and there is one only. Yes. And last question for this set of questions is oxidation of sulfur in thioneous acid. So you will find this where in the oxidation of sulfur. Oxidation of phosphorus you should read. Oxidation of halogens, some xenon compounds. So many questions are possible. I tried here to make you aware about the MCQ pattern, how the nature of question will be in the incoming exam. Fine. So what do you say? What is the answer for 25? 25th question, number 25th. Yes. So for that you should go through that lecture, activation of nitrogen. So all four reasons are correct. So it is the correct answer. What about this question? Question number 26. What is your answer?